In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a people field in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that helps teams stay organized and work efficiently. One of its key features is the ability to assign tasks to specific people, making it easy to keep track of responsibilities and ensure everyone knows what they need to do. Whether you're managing a small team or a large organization, this tutorial will walk you through the steps to set up and use the people field in ClickUp to streamline your workflow. Let's get started. To begin, open your browser and navigate to www.clickup.com if you're not already signed in. Simply click the Login button at the top right corner of the page. From here, choose your preferred login method. You can sign in with your email and password, use your Google account, or select another connected provider. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your ClickUp homepage. On the homepage, locate the left sidebar. This is where you'll find all your spaces, folders, and lists organized for easy access. Navigate to the relevant folder that contains the list of tasks you want to update. Once you've found the folder, open the specific list that holds the tasks you're working with. Make sure you're in list view. This is essential for the next steps, as the people field can only be added in this view. Now look at the column header bar running across the top of your list. On the far right side of this bar, you'll see a small plus icon. Click on it to add a new column to your list. When the panel appears on your screen, type the word people into the search bar. This will quickly filter the available options. Once you see people in the search results, click on it to add it as a new column in your list. Now that the people column is visible, you can start associating tasks with specific teammates. To do this, click on any cell in the people column corresponding to a task. This will open a drop-down menu where you can select the teammate or teammates you want to assign to that particular task. It's as simple as checking their names off the list. If you want to keep your list even more organized, you can rename the field or drag the column to reorder it in your view. This allows you to customize your workspace to best suit your needs and preferences. If you're new to ClickUp, you can use the link in the description to sign up and explore all the features this platform has to offer. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to assign a people field in ClickUp, making it easier than ever to manage your team's tasks. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.